Okay, hi guys. So in this video, I'm going to do kind of a full kind of income portfolio. I'm going to show what I'm doing and what I'm really planning moving forward. So that guys, this video is going to be for people who are have been following me for a long time, and I know a lot of people who are looking at ways to strategize, manage an income portfolio, and kind of my journey, what I'm doing. So obviously, as everyone knows, I'm involved. One of the programs I'm involved in, it's my primary business. That's LiveGood. This particular platform, LiveGood, as I say, it's my primary business. I've earned over $40,000, and I joined about 6 months ago. Okay, pretty much exactly bang on 6 months ago. I joined the 23rd of December 2022. Okay, so just before the new year, and now it's June 28th. So just a little bit over 6 months, and I've earned over $40,000 with this platform. Really, really powerful. Love it, and really focused. There's a lot of residual income aspect to this, but obviously it requires building and staying focused. But guys, a little disclaimer. Yes, I'm going to be talking about money in this video, and you might see some of my incomes, but I just want to say that my results are not typical, and I don't know your work ethic. So people will have different work ethics. They're going to be having some people are ready to follow instructions, some people just don't follow instructions, whatever. But I will say that if for me, in the years that I've been involved in this industry, this is the easiest industry to really make a success, okay? And if you want total freedom and time freedom, and you want to be able to have the freedom of choice to be able to enjoy your life, maybe it's travel, maybe it's to build up something for your family, something for your kids or whatever it is, this industry. Although some people say that there's a lot of scams out there, and but there is exactly that in every industry. We've always got to be careful. But I think this is an easy industry to learn those the issues that we do face. And once you're aware of of the difficulties and the issues, and you have a lot of common sense, then you're going to be able to really make it in this industry. It really is a fabulous industry. So I'm going to go through. So as many people know, LeadsLeap, I could make a lot more money in other using other marketing systems, but this I've got a lot of passion for LeadsLeap. It's I know that the compensation plan could be better, but I think that's one of the reasons why this has stayed for such a long time, and it's continued to be so popular, and a lot of people like it. And it is, for me, it's been a very easy promote. I've personally sponsored over 500 people, and I've earned, my total earnings over, almost $12,000. Okay, and it's only been relatively recently when I've really started to crank this up, and I'll tell you why. Because at first there wasn't really a feasible way to get paid out. All right, but now I've been able to set it up so that it is it's easy to get paid out directly into your bank account through the Wise platform. So it's now become very, very easy to get paid. So it's only been maybe a year or just over a year since I've really started to see some great commissions coming in with this platform, and I've been really, really pushing it. So I've got a lot of followers on this platform, people who are in my team. I said it's over 5,000 total personally referred. It's over 600. I thought it was 500. It's over 600. And then in my personal entire downline, over 4,634 people in my entire downline. Okay, so I've got a lot of pro members, a huge amount of pro members, because I'm focused on delivering value. And that's a great thing about this platform, is that you can give out value. And I love the fact that you can create share codes. And guys, even the share codes that I've created, you can, once you've imported those share codes into your LeadsLeap, they become your pages. You can recreate them and use them as share codes for your team. so that you become the person of value. And that's how I've been able to build up this platform. So I'm earning well over $1,000 per month with this platform, okay? And I continuously, you know, I mean, literally every day I see new commissions coming into my account, and I am earning well over $1,000 a month just with this platform alone. This platform, yes, it continues to pay me. Okay, it's a nice platform, and I use it, and it's you know, it's just one of these platforms. I got so many platforms. I mean, I'm showing you only just a handful of platforms, but so many platforms that just pay me, and they're platforms that generate traffic, that generate leads, that generate signups. I mean, this platform, I've got the calculation here. Since I started this platform, I think it was just before Christmas, I can't remember it, but it hasn't been a long time. It's paid me over $3,000, well over $3,000 with this platform. So, and it's not a mainstream income, you know. I mean, like I say, I've got so many of these lead generation platforms that they're just a great job in generating leads for me. You know, a lot of them even on autopilot, and they also pay me, so that's great. You know, this platform here pays me about $1,000. This is Warrior Plus, and I promote, you know, different platforms, you know, different lead generation products on this platform, and I generate commissions. So Warrior Plus pays me, you know, easily about $1,000 a month. That's you know, that's because I don't really push it that much. I mean, I've had months where I've earned well over $2,000 a month. That's because I've pushed it a lot, you know, uploading video content or whatever onto YouTube, and then just promoted some good traffic platforms and traffic sources that are on the Warrior Plus platform, and you know, it allows me to earn good money. But so if we have a look at the activity, and if I switch to withdrawals, for example, and then I switch to this, okay. So as you can see, last month, at about sort of the beginning of the month, beginning of this month, I did a 1,493. That was well over $1,000 straight to my bank account. The month before that, I had a couple of withdrawals. Oh no, it wasn't that. So yeah, sorry. So this was May. Okay, May I had about $1,000 withdrawal. So yeah, and in April I had a good month, well over $2,000, almost $3,000 in April. And March I had about just over $2,000. Okay, and that was really the first time I'd done a withdrawal. I was testing out another withdrawal platform that didn't work for me, but once I figured out that I could set up my bank account, then I was able to, you know, process withdrawals every single month, which is wonderful. So yeah, you know, I could comfortably say that I can easily earn $1,000 with this platform without doing anything. If I decided to work hard with this platform, I'm sure I could crank that up, you know, easily to a couple of $1,000s a month. And that's great. This platform, I've been involved since 2011. It's just a traffic platform, but you know, it does an incredible job for generating leads for me. I've been pretty active with this platform, and you know, if I you know, show you the referrals, so you know, you can usually see me one of the top, you know, recruiters on this platform. I've had 5 referrals recently, and here I am, number 12 of the company. I've personally referred 434 people to this platform, you know, and if they upgrade, I get commissions from that. So you know, I'm focused on this platform simply being a lead generation platform, and it does an incredible job with that. But you know, this just pays me. It pays me every month. It pays straight into the bank. So that's just another platform out of the you know, loads and loads of platforms that I do have that just pay me every month anyway. So you know, just being active. And guys, I recommend using the MegaMarketingPro system, which is my marketing system. Go to step 2 and check out some of the recommended traffic sources. You know, and I will say that this free marketing system has been highly responsible for just building my various income streams, including my traffic sources. And that's why I'm able to generate these various, you know, income streams just by branding these steps and getting this system set up, and then just focusing on sharing out one link. Obviously you need to go to step 3 to set up your funnel. That's essential. Don't share this out directly, okay? But you'll see on step 3 that you'll be able to share out and set up a done for you funnel. I'll go there now, just to quickly show you. So don't skip these 3 steps here. But here you get all the instructions to get set up. You get your done for you funnel. Okay, it's all free stuff, guys. I've created these funnels for you. You just get the share code for LeadsLeap. So you need to join LeadsLeap under your sponsor. Okay, so that's what I'm talking about, guys. LeadsLeap, and the various traffic platforms on step 2. All these platforms that I've been talking about, are in here. Okay, so and so much more, on step 2, okay, the traffic steps and so on. And you can put your on step 1 you can put up to 10 businesses of your choice. So obviously I put LiveGood in there, I put a few things in there, and you put all your income streams, everything in one place, and you set up a funnel on step 3, and it helps you to simply grow all your income streams in one place. Now, what I was going to mention on from here, kind of separate from this, I've got 2 passive income streams, okay, that are in conjunction. I'm not going to talk about them openly here for a reason, because we like to protect those particular income streams. They are absolutely solid. One particular income stream I did mention on my channel. In fact, I didn't mention the company name purposely, but I requested people, if they wanted to find out a bit more, they can get in touch with me, and I did mention about that on my channel a few weeks ago. Anyway, that particular income stream is now paying me about $6,000 a month, just from that income stream. It's an income stream that's been around, privately, as a private system, private platform, completely offline. Nothing to do with crypto. This is not a crypto program, guys, but that's not how they generate their, sources of income. It's completely passive, and it's been around for about 15 years privately. And it's just paying me about $6,000 a month at the moment, completely hands-free. Now there's another income stream that's not network marketing, but I'm going to mention that anyway, and that I've been involved in for several years now. It's a Japanese company based in Tokyo. It's not network marketing. I can't recommend that to you, but it's something that I was able to, thanks to the online businesses that I'm involved in, I'm able to withdraw money, and I was able to use that a lot of money to invest into this particular company as a hedge. So that I treat that like a hedge fund, but it pays me way above average income per month just from that just from that company alone. But I'm not going to mention that company, just to protect them. But they have been around for, that company has been around for about 10 years, and as I say, it's only available here in Japan, and the minimum investment into that is quite substantial. But thanks to my online businesses, I've been able to build up, and so I can take advantage and diversify into those incredible, income streams. So I would say that I'm earning about $21,000 a month from my overall income streams. I'm not even mentioning all my income streams within my portfolio on this platform. On this video. But a lot of my income comes from residual income. Most of it comes from either residual or passive. So I could just take time off. I could go off. I could be completely off grid. And I could just stay, I just love traveling. I love to get to a point where I'm just completely free. And, sure, it's great to be connected to the internet so you can keep your businesses running. And that's what I'm doing anyway. But it's nice to think that, I could be anywhere in the world and I could still run my business. I could be in the Maldives, I could be in, the Philippines, I could be in Dubai, I could be in, London, England, or I could be in the Cotswolds in the heart of England. I could be in America, wherever, as long as I've got the internet connection, I can keep running my business. But as I say, a large part of my income is residual and also passive. Okay. So, to me, this is just, the lifestyle to get to. And I'm really grateful for, my YouTube channel. It's helped me to get to this place where I can just, market and recommend value, and you know, I've got a great following. I've got a lot of great people, and it's thanks to my YouTube channel. It's thanks to my social media. It's thanks to being, you know, it's just simply being focused on a daily basis. And I don't put in more than 2 or 3 hours a day, probably more in some cases. But I do it because it's exciting, and a lot of you know, a lot of what I'm doing is getting, you know, it's just getting better and better every day, because I do put the work in, and I do, you know, get excited about it. I'm passionate about it, and why wouldn't we be? Because it is paying out, and it's just a wonderful place to be in. You know, you've got to be positive. You know, I do recommend reading some good books, you know, positive mental attitude books. Get onto YouTube and just you know, listen to some good podcasts. Keep yourself, you know, really high spirit, in high spirit, and just be positive. You know, it really helps. And if you're just negative and moaning about, you know, things are not working out for you, or not paying or whatever, then that's just going to be very negative energy, and it's just not going to help you. So just stay positive, guys. And this is an incredible industry to be a part of. You know, I'm a real guy, and a lot of people actually know me. You know, a lot of people know me personally, and I'm getting to know a lot more people personally, and I love that. You know, just I would appreciate a like. And, you know, by all means, comment onto my videos, and please subscribe. It really helps the channel. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Look forward to seeing you in the next video, and hope anything here is of value to you. Just click on the links below. I'll just give you access to the Mega Marketing Pro system and the other platforms that I mentioned. Yeah, let's run with this. All right. Thanks very much for watching, and see you on the inside. Bye for now.